okay?
That's sneezy.
过了一次哦，他是住哪个地址啊？小区这个吗
No, Julio.
This is Rosewood.
Rosewood, that's the name.
Oh, okay. Daisy, what's wrong with you?
I don't know.
刚买的。
Christy's over here. I'm allergic to her.
Yeah? Yeah, it's me. Always let me eat.
Ah.